everybody. So today we're at Metcalf Bottoms in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. They have a picnic. Are you ready? I am too. The scenery back there is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go. We're going down the road we've never been down before. We're trying to go to Metcalf Bottoms picnic area. And I think I've heard that this is the road to take. Let's go down there. That says Little Greenbrier School. I think you got what, like 3.4 miles round trip to get back there. That ain't gonna happen. Not for us anyway. So that's a one-lane bridge.
Look like a main road there.
Yeah. Alright, so then turn to the left. We got a beautiful view right here. This is a beautiful view, but Mom wants to move table. It's very pretty. Now we're sitting at our third table, because Mom can't decide where she wants to sit at. But look at the view. Isn't that pretty? So today for our picnic, we got these lovely ham sandwiches, and we got some bananas and some strawberries, and we got some grapes and some applesauce, and then we also got some chips and that kind of stuff we want. And of course we have Diet Pepsi. You cannot have a picnic without Diet Pepsi. I bet you this is really pretty in the fall. But we'd come in on a different road instead of the road we came in on. Yeah. So we have found out that a lot of people like the picnic videos for some reason. So if you like them, we try to show them. And today we were actually going to go to Dollywood, but then she had to cancel, so we didn't go. So we did other stuff. Some pretty handy little things we had got from Aldi recently.
Somebody wants the whole bag down there.
They sure did. We'd like to say that is not our chips. I hadn't even noticed them. Mom threw the bag of chips down accidentally the other day in the car in Cades Cove.
No, I put them on the side and they failed.
Well, that's what I said. They went down in the car. So then I had to fix that. It's a pretty neat idea. This is a nice place. I decided to go ahead and open up my knockoff Doritos. They're okay. And some people, you know, they would say that they don't think we eat healthy, but I think this is a relatively healthy meal here. We got our fruit and everything else. Alright, see the leaves starting to fall.
Right down, you're almost there.
It's pumpkin spice applesauce that I found. How is it?
Is that right?
Does it taste like pumpkin?
Sort of.
Sort of. It smells good. I don't know if it's going to taste good, but it smells good. We don't always eat outdoors, but we do enjoy it whenever we do. And we definitely don't always have a picnic in a national park. But today we did. Hopefully some people will enjoy the video. It says you can go to the little Greenbrier school in a mile. I don't know if that's true or not. I read somewhere it's a 3.5 mile walk. I don't know if that's from somewhere else or what. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video for our picnic at Metcalf Bottoms. How'd you like it?
It was good. Okay.
It was. We will never ever take that road that we came in on ever again because it was too steep in some areas. But I do believe you can come in from Gatlinburg as if you're going to Cades Cove, and you can come in on that road, which is a whole lot safer. And I guess it's safe if you know how to drive it, but you know, we had never rode it before. We had people right there on our bumper, and then people were coming towards us. So anyway,
In the work curve.
yeah, in the workable curve. So it is what it is. But I personally thought the view was outstanding. That water down there is just very peaceful to listen to and everything. Lunch was good. We had, what was that, ham and cheese sandwiches?
Yeah.
Strawberries, bananas, grapes, chips, and applesauce. That pumpkin spice applesauce is off the chain good. And of course we had Diet Pepsi. I had pickles somewhere. I guess they might be in the cooler. I don't know where my pickles went.
They in the bag at hotel.
No, because I put them with the
I don't know where you put it.
applesauce this morning. I specifically packed them so I would have my pickles. I had a little container of them. Might be back there in the cooler for all I know. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. We hope you enjoyed. Mom's over there moving around again. But I'm just going to let this video keep on rolling because I've already tried 5 times now to end it. Yes, please subscribe. And we shall see you somewhere else. So, toodaloo. Bye-bye.